So if I get to the number, please cut the cake. Are you ready? They have started discussing already. They want to know. Now, 1,000 children. Who say, is it you that is burning? Okay, let's go again. 500 children, 200 children, 100 children, 50 boys, 50 girls. I know Pampers is expensive, but no, we need to do it. And baby food is even expensive. Let's calm down, let's calm down. 20 children, 20, 10 boys, 10 girls. Ofu village. Let's go again. Are you ready now? 1 dozen, 12, 12, 12. If I get to the number that you want, the audience, please clap for them. Be clapping. Any number that you want. 10 children, 10 children, 10 children. I can see you. Continue. 10 children, 8 children, 8. If you want 8, clap. 8. Somebody is happy there. 8. 7 children, 7 children. Let me see a clap. 7. You want 7? Now you will be buying the Pampers, so. Okay, let's go down. 5 children. 5 children. I'll get to a particular number. If they don't come, we'll go home. Now let's go again. 4 children. 4 children. 4 children. If you want 4 clap, they are not cutting. If you guys say we got this one, everybody will go. Let's go again. Daddy, you said no. Okay. 3 children. 3 children. If you want 3, start clapping. If you want 3, start clapping. They want to do riot. Is it a marriage? Now let's go again. 2 children. Ladies and gentlemen, I can see you. Over and niyi. Look at the camera. Smile. It's a beautiful day, ladies and gentlemen. I was so excited to be here.